Alright guys, well, we're at this set of antennas, and I just ran into two other dirt bikes, and they said I should go back if I don't have a clutch lever, because the way I'm gonna go, it's gonna take me hours and hours without a stop. So hopefully I can just turn around here and head back home. But I just want to show you guys the view up here. It's so beautiful. You can see those are the clouds that making the Irvine, Newport Beach, Mission Viejo, and all those cities cloudy weather. But up here we have sun and a bunch of flies apparently here. Well guys, this is it. I'm gonna go back and I'll keep you guys updated.